Now I'm going to use a black pencil and I'm just going to go over the top of the lid. This doesn't have to be done perfectly, but you do need to, when you put it on, definitely remember lifting the skin so it can go on straight rather than just leaving it, and that's when you'll start getting the little lumps. So you want to lift, pop it on all the way to the end, and then using your brush with the black eyeshadow, I want you just to go over it and blend it out. Now by doing this, you're creating a more smoky look, so the pencil's not so harsh, and you're also making the makeup last longer because you're actually powdering in the pencil. I'm just getting rid of any droppage with my fan brush, opening your eyes for me. As you can see, that's already depthened in colour. Now I love putting black eyeliner inside the inner rim of a smoky, sultry eye. So looking up for me, this really helps make the eyes look really sexy. Now we're going to apply some mascara. When using your mascara, always just make sure you take off any excess. And get right in there with your mascara. So you want to do a little wiggle action to make sure that you're getting all the different lashes and coating them all. And when you get to that inner section, please make sure you go right in. If you have really long lashes, it is ideal to use an eyelash curler so you can then make them look nice and curled. But if your lashes are quite short, it can almost sometimes make them look shorter by curling them a bit too much. So just be careful on that. And of course, you can always pop some individual lashes or a strip lash to give you even a more dramatic look for this eye. Open your eyes for me. Now with a smoky eye, you always need to do the bottom lashes just to define them more and make it nice and finished look. Using a cotton bud to clean off any of the mascara. The perfect mascara application is always when you use a cotton bud afterwards. That means you really got in there. Open your eyes for me. Great. To finish off this bronze look, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply a little bit of gold, looking up for me, just in that point of her eyes to help highlight. Close for me. And just touching up on the mascara. Great. Open, look up for me. Just going to pop a little bit more concealer to make sure that it's all nice and clean under her eyes. And there we have it. Beautiful chocolate smoky eyes.